Okay, so we're gonna finish the 12-6 notes. We're gonna work on volumes of spheres today. So it's that last page, example 3. The volume of a sphere is, it's a little small here, but it's 4/3 pi r cubed. And it's not in your notes, but it's on your formula sheet. The volume of a hemisphere would just be 1/2 4/3 pi r cubed. Since it's the inside, we don't have to worry about that flat surface. So we just take 1/2 of the sphere formula to get hemisphere. So let's get started. It's very similar to the last set of notes where there's only one variable, it's your radius. So my volume is 4/3 pi. My radius here is 5. And I have to cube that. If you don't know how to put a cube in your calculator, there's this little up arrow right here. And it's saying that it's 5 to the 3rd power. If you don't have a calculator that does that, you could just do 5 times 5 times 5. Get that number ahead of time and then do 4/3 pi and plug that number in. So my answer is 523.6. We're back to volume, so it's going to be feet cubed. The next one is a hemisphere. So I have to take 1/2 4/3 pi. My radius is 6 cubed. So even though it looks complicated, just make sure you use parentheses for your fractions. You should get 452.4. If you'd like to try C and D on your own, it's the same as these two. They both happen to be hemispheres. So my volume is 1/2 4/3 pi 16 cubed. This is my radius because the other half would be 16 as well if the whole shape was shown there. So 1/2 4/3 pi 16 cubed. It's a big number, 8,578.6. And the last one like this, it just doesn't give you a picture, it tells you what your volume is. So again, it's a hemisphere, 1/2 4/3 pi 5 cubed. So you know your answer should be about half the measure of this because the radius is the same, but this is hemisphere. So 1/2 4/3 pi 5 cubed, and it is half, 261.8. So we are done with example 3, the top part. The next video we'll do the bottom too.